In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Intelligence on iPadOS 18. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you update to iPadOS 18, you have access to Apple Intelligence. This is a new feature developed by Apple that allows you to give it requests, use it in conjunction with Siri, and it basically allows you to use many functions of your iPhone or iPad with ease. So all that you have to do to use Apple Intelligence is first of all update to iPadOS 18. Keep in mind that Apple Intelligence is limited to some particular iPad models, and I'm going to talk about that later. But first of all, to perform the update, access the settings and check to see if you have a notification like this one. If you do, tap on it and you will most likely be prompted to update to iPadOS 18. If you aren't, then go over to the General category at the bottom and then choose Software Update. In here, you can check to see if you have the update available. I'm not sure if it is fully released outside of beta, but regardless, check the update, and if you see iPadOS, you will be able to update it here. I'm not going to be talking about how to access beta updates for this particular video because it can take a while. But after you update, under the Accessibility and General category, you will see Apple Intelligence. Now, this feature is locked behind some particular iPad models, so as you can see from the official Apple support website, any iPad with A17 Pro or M1 and later. So, basically, if you have an iPad Pro, any iPad Pro model with the M1, M2, or M4 chips will work. This will include the 11-inch and the 13-inch models. For iPad Air, you will need an M1 chip or later once again, so for example M1, M2, and this will also include the 11-inch and 13-inch. For iPad Air, you will need for iPad Mini, I apologize, you will need the 7th generation with the A17 Pro chip or later. Another thing to note is that Siri and your iPad must be set to the US region and language. So if they aren't set accordingly, change the region and language to the US, and then you will see Apple Intelligence. In here, request access if you don't have it already, and then enable the feature. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Intelligence iPadOS 18. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.